With this workout, what we're actually looking at is scapular control. Now they're obviously the shoulder blades that sit on our back. Now the whole idea is we've got a lot of little muscles that attach to all these two bones called scapula. Muscles aren't working properly. We get a lot of imbalances and we get a lot of injuries from our bench work and our gym work and our regular everyday physical activities. We designed it to make sure that it increases scapular control and scapular strength. Now what this will do, this will put a great advantage on your bench press.
Improve overall posture, which is something that we need to concentrate on.
Yeah,
keep the shoulders back and the chest up.
Yep, cool.
All right,
so let's get into it. Here's what I want you to really focus on, the advantage of doing this. Drop down, kiddo. Now feet square, flat. Okay, so the whole object of this alternate press is what you're going to do is keep one arm fixed, bring the other one down, push through, complete that, and then bring the other one down. Good. Now when you're doing that, guys, what I want you to really focus on now is have those feet planted nice and firm, and as you start to get up to some challenging weight, you'll actually really feel how much force you're transferring through each half of your body when you're doing this exercise. And it's a really good exercise because you can actually feel it going straight through your core, even position. So have a look at the side that's not actually pressing. It's dug into the side, and keep that shoulder blade locked.
It's almost like a close grip push-up. Yep. All right then, so you know you really feel it in the triceps. So there,
and then
just transferring.
Your force is uneven.